there's that. So that's exactly what it is. Hold on, careful, I'm filming that. Well, here it is. Pretty clean. Nothing sparkly. And yeah. Now you know how to open your oil filter and not get crap all over it. So this is awesome. Perfect. No metal at all.
You better shine a light on that.
Oh, I am. You bet.
No, but if it looks like that's good.
Yeah.
That's clean.
And look how clean it cuts.
Damn, man.
This is what I have.
Is it? Oh,
yeah.
Okay.
That's what I was saying. Like, oh, it just needs to have the little wheels like the exhaust cutters. And then I realized that I made them like this.
Well, there you go.
Like mine's not called an exhaust pipe cutoff tool. All right. So today this is gonna get messy. I'm about to install this, and then I have the control arms back there. I'm doing an oil change as well. As you saw, I opened the filter and no metal. So yeah. And here, as you can see, I got a bad seal back here, but it's all right. Pretty much I gotta take off this one that I already did, and actually these two. And then I'm gonna replace the whole thing. I'm actually gonna keep this hanger because as you can see, I have it rigged that way. But yeah. So this one I had to come with an extension like that. That way I could take it off without having to lift the transmission or anything. No, man. Look, man, I ain't even tell you. Man, it's all this trip. You say I'm a trip. You know it's all. Man, that thing is hot. I don't have enough hands to do this. But here we go. There we go. So anyways, I'm using the parts cleaner here to clean this up before I put it back on. I have the pads for the cross member, but I plan on replacing the cross member eventually, so I'm not even going to put them on. I'm just going to hold on in that, and then once I replace the cross member, I'll put that on there. So the bracket's trimmed, and I move that out of the way. I had to take off the whole edge right there, and you'll see why here next. So that sits in there, like so. Now the issue that I ran into is that trying to put in the bolts, this one right here is not tap deep enough. That's as far as the tap goes, so I'm gonna have to start driving it all the way through now. And now this one has the same issue. Pretty much it gets to about there and it stops. And if I was aiming the camera at the right place, there you go. So it gets to about there and it just gets really hard to turn. So I'm gonna have to tap both holes and continue on. So anyways, here's a little trick. You start them by hand, then that way you know that you're lined up with the threads. And the one thing I'm noticing is that both of these are kind of not on a plane. So anyways, that's as far as it goes by hand. And then go in like this. And So as soon as you start feeling resistance, you turn it around. And save yourself time, because the other side I was unable to do that. I had to actually do it with a little wrench, just because of space. Yeah, minimal resistance, quickly. There you go. We're getting resistance again. So now I'm actually cutting threads. Turn it back around. And drop it back in. There it is. Replaced. I still gotta torque these down. I had to make sure that the transmission was centered. Pretty much that's it. The hardest part was getting this trimmed. I actually used a plasma cutter because the grinding wheel was just taking forever. Now, the reason I didn't paint any of this is because I plan on replacing this for something a little lighter. And I'm gonna have to replace those pads as well, since I have them, but I might as well just keep them and do it once I replace all of this. That's why I wasn't worried about painting any of it, because this is gonna end up going away as well. And then I gotta do some speed holes on this thing, because that's a pretty hefty piece, kind of heavy.